Hi, this is Liberty from beforeandafters.com. You can find the recipe for these cookies on my blog. Cutout cookies take extra time to make compared to other cookies, so I enjoy making a double batch to make it worth our time and trouble. I like to wrap my rolling pin with plastic wrap so that I don't have to add as much flour and it won't stick to the rolling pin. I think the cookies taste better that way. By the way, these videos all show my children's hands. I am doing the videoing. Did you ever draw and color hearts shaped like these when you were a kid? I did. That's what gave me the idea to make these cookies. The larger sets came apart because they were so big, but the smaller ones stayed together.